Artificial intelligence, AI, is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. This can include tasks such as recognizing speech and images, understanding natural language, making decisions, and solving problems. AI systems can be trained on vast amounts of data to perform specific tasks, and can be supervised or unsupervised learning. Artificial intelligence, AI, is expected to be useful in a wide range of domains, including healthcare. AI can be used to analyze medical images, assist in diagnosis, and develop personalized treatment plans. Finance, AI can be used to detect fraud, predict market trends, in management, optimize production processes, and predict equipment failure. Agriculture, AI can be used to improve crop yields, detect pests, and optimize irrigation. Retail and assist in research. Energy, AI can be used to optimize energy usage, predict equipment failure, and improve the efficiency of renewable energy systems. Robotics, AI can be used to improve the performance of robots, allowing them to work more effectively and safely alongside humans. Cybersecurity, AI can be used to detect and prevent cyber attacks, monitor network activity, and protect sensitive information. Education, AI can be used to personalize instruction, evaluate student performance, and assist in research. Transportation, AI can be used to optimize traffic flow, improve safety, and reduce emissions in the transportation sector. Manufacturing, AI can be used to improve supply chain management, optimize production processes, and predict equipment failure. Retail and e-commerce, AI can be used to optimize pricing and inventory management, personalize customer experiences, and improve supply chain management.